Check out how wide this is.
One little imperfection can cause catastrophic failure.
We're gonna do some crazy stuff.
Super wide, finally here. So today, Nico over here is testing our Flex Super Wide Duct Tape to see how well it can adhere to all our different surfaces. But just look at that.
So we went on a treasure hunt, found this 500-pound safe. Now it's time to put Flex Super Wide Duct Tape through a true strength test.
We got the tape that's gonna hold 500 pounds right here. This is a special duct tape right here, super strong.
Everyone's gonna be cleared off the set. Lift it, see what happens.
Hey, just a heads up, once this thing comes up, no one's going in here. It is what it is.
We got it.
So, tell me how you're feeling.
How are you feeling?
No, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm
Feeling
excited.
good? Okay. Well, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to be shooting the safe scene.
Here's the demo. This is what we're going to do. See that safe? It's about 500 and some pounds. We're going to take one super wide strip of our Flex duct tape and we're going to lift it, and then we're going to bring it back down. I'm going to pull off the tape, reposition it, and lift it back up. All right, I'm ready. Flex duct tape is so strong that just one super wide strip can lift this 500-pound safe. Plus, it can be removed and repositioned, and it still holds on tight. Cut! Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Super Wide Duct Tape. This is no ordinary duct tape. Just check out how wide this is. You know what? We had a long delay and kind of took a little nap in my office, so I'm trying to get my energy back up. But I had a triple espresso, which helped a lot. So let's just say I'm ready to go. I can keep going. I can go fast. Doesn't matter. I'm really good to go. And check out how wide this is. Show you the power of our Flex Super Wide Duct Tape. We built this metal frame, wrapped it, covered it, sauteed it, breaded it, fried it. Cut.
Started building this speedboat for super wide duct tape. That's something we've never really done before. We've done a lot of research on boats and how boats should look and should ride. But we started getting to it, bending some metal, kept going with it, and we came out with a pretty good design. And I think it's going to work really well. It was a lot of fun, but it was a challenge.
So we have to make sure that we create a perfectly smooth surface over the entire boat, or one little imperfection can cause catastrophic failure.
So let's get the measurements, like for example on our pieces over here, let's measure out and then cut pieces that line. All right, today is day one of the shoot. All the prep that we did, it all comes down to today. You know, the big game. All the players are been training. We need to score some touchdowns. Like always, there's gonna be some hiccups, but I'm confident. We got a solid team, we'll get through this.
Doves on one dock. That's my brother.
So we're out here at the rock quarry. We're doing the wild demo. We built a race boat out of flex super wide duct tape. We're gonna put Phil in it. He's gonna go racing through the water, and we may actually have him attempt to jump the boat. Keep watching.
Three motors at a 9. Give it a little problem, but we'll get her going.
It wouldn't be a true production unless something actually, went wrong, but that's what we do here. We put out fires and solve problems, and there's no one better.
All right. Yes, that's right. We're going out in the water. We're going to do some crazy stuff. Ah, man, I'm so excited.
It's so wide, we built this race boat.
We're docking. Awesome. Handles great. Holds up to the bounces and the waves. It's just taking a pounding. I want one of these. I got one of these. We're gonna.
That was fun.
There's some good stuff there.